Okay, y'all, it's time to blog. Remember, you have to choose two out of the three blogs this semester. So we're on our first one, Blogging with Theory, Immigration, Who Does It and Why. This is your chance to show off what you learned in the first 4 weeks of the class. If you are one of the people who's fallen a little bit behind so far, you do need to catch up, but you might take advantage of the blogging with data that we'll deal with. After this week, we move into concepts of assimilation and adaptation, how immigrants adjust to the host countries, and we'll deal with a lot of theories. And for the next blog, I will give you quantitative information, data, around which to develop your blogs. And then the last blog of the semester is what I'm calling blogging with purpose. What's good for immigrants and the societies that they live in. And that one is going to be talking about things like citizenship, transnationalism, creating demanding change, immigration policy, policies for immigrants, and multiculturalism. So again, you'll choose two out of those three to write during the semester. But we're at that point where it's time to do the first one if you're going to choose it.